As a new Dasher, you may have questions about how to make the most of your time while on the road. Keep watching for some helpful tips and tricks. Tip 1. Dashing to the store. When navigating to a store, use the in-app navigation that provides you with a reliable and accurate route and gives you all the information you need without needing to leave the Dasher app. Remember, always abide by your local parking and traffic laws. Make sure to check store information in the Dasher app, where the store has the option of setting parking and pickup instructions, so you know exactly where to pick up the order. Tip 2. Picking up orders. Seasoned Dashers recommend arriving on time or slightly before the quoted pickup time. Best practice is to contact the store or DoorDash support if you're going to be running late. At the store, let the staff know you're picking up a DoorDash order and provide your customer's name. It's also helpful to double-check the order and name on the receipt and ensure all special instructions from the customer have been followed. If an item is out of stock, please ask the merchant if there's a substitution available and communicate order changes to the customer. When facing issues at the store, try and work with the merchant to resolve any issues. They may be able to remake the order if it's incorrect. You can report a store closed, but always double-check beforehand by looking for drive-thrus or pickup windows, especially late at night. If you face an issue at the store and need to unassign or contact support, providing an accurate reason why will help the next Dasher. Tip 3. Handling delays. If you arrive at the store and experience a longer than normal wait time or delay for the order pickup, ask the merchant for an estimated time of when the order will be ready. Top Dashers suggest calling or texting the customer to let them know of any potential delays. Tip 4. Dropping off orders. Delivering to your customer is easy. The Dasher app will help you navigate to your drop-off location and show you any details or instructions needed to find the customer location. Be sure to double-check that you're dropping off the right order with the right customer, especially on batch deliveries. Remember, if you have any questions, you can reach your customer directly by clicking the phone or text options.